Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about PhoneSoap. I know that sounds like a ridiculous thing, but PhoneSoap is an actual product, and here's proof. PhoneSoap is a device that allows you to clean your smart devices. This device here, PhoneSoap, will allow you to clean an Android or an iOS device or even an iPod, but you can also use PhoneSoap if you get the different PhoneSoap device to clean larger items like tablets and even laptops. We're going to switch screens here. We're going to take a look at PhoneSoap website and see how it can help you disinfect your smart devices. PhoneSoap is located at PhoneSoap.com. This item can be purchased directly from PhoneSoap, or you can purchase it directly from Amazon. But the way it works is that it allows you to clean your devices. So if we scroll down here and get past the videos, we can look at the different items that they make available. They make the PhoneSoap 3, which I just held up on the screen here. There's the PhoneSoap XL, where you can put larger items in it. And there's also the PhoneSoap Wireless, which will allow you to clean your devices and wirelessly charge them at the same time. Now, why would you want to use an item like PhoneSoap? Well, as you can see, a cell phone has 18 times more bacteria than public restrooms. So items like your TV remote, your phone, toilet handle, pacifier, etc., can get dirty. And viruses like the flu are not only airborne, they're also surface borne. So if you touch a surface that has the flu virus on it, you could infect yourself. Also, if you use someone else's smartphone or other item, you can also get the flu from that. So the way PhoneSoap works is it's pretty simple. You put your item in the PhoneSoap. It uses UV rays in order to kill those germs, and it does it while charging your smartphone as well. So as you can see here, smartphone is a pretty dirty object, and a lot of people don't realize that. So by utilizing an item like PhoneSoap, you can quickly charge your smartphone and stay healthy. The other thing that people don't realize about smart devices is that you can't use disinfectant wipes such as Lysol wipes or Windex wipes, because those items can potentially harm the screen of your phone or your other smart device, including your laptop. But as you can see here, here are all the different products that you can purchase from PhoneSoap to help keep your devices nice and disinfected. A great thing about PhoneSoap, when you get the PhoneSoap 3, you also get the PhoneSoap cleaning pad included free, which will allow you to use this microfiber cloth in order to keep your device screen clean. Because obviously PhoneSoap is not going to literally apply soap on your phone, but it will disinfect it, and you can use that microfiber cloth to keep your phone nice and clean. So if you want to keep your phone clean and make sure that it's disinfected, consider purchasing PhoneSoap. The device starts at $59.99, and again, like I said, you can purchase PhoneSoap directly from PhoneSoap.com, or you can go to Amazon and purchase PhoneSoap as well. We're going to switch back to me, and I will give you a quick demonstration of how PhoneSoap works, because the website doesn't really kind of make it clear. So here's PhoneSoap, and what you would do is take your smartphone, like this iPhone here, and stick it in the PhoneSoap. Once you close the lid, if my phone doesn't slide out, and there it is, nice and safe, we'll close the lid on PhoneSoap. The light will indicate here, letting you know that the phone is charging, and when it's done charging and disinfecting, and when it's done, the light will go out and your phone will be nice and disinfected. This one isn't disinfected because it's not plugged in, but if you plug it in, then PhoneSoap will allow you to charge your phone while disinfecting. So as always, folks, if you have comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tips that you would like to see or hear in future videos. Speaking of videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's tons of videos there that will help you get more from the technology that you use, and we're all over social media too. So check us out on all the social media networks out there. So until next time, folks, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.